Hi, this is Chris from Blackburn Audi. This is a quick video on the A3 that I have in stock. So this car is a 1 litre TFSI with 116 horsepower. And it's finished in Ibis White. Look at the front of the car. You see the sport styling. And it also comes with LED daytime running lights. Moving down the side of the car, you can see it comes with the 5-spoke 16-inch alloy wheels and heated door mirrors. Moving down towards the rear, you can see this model has the rear parking sensors. So looking inside the car, we can see this A3 Sport comes with a multifunctional steering wheel with cruise control. It also comes with the automatic windscreen wipers and automatic headlights. Moving towards the centre console, you can see it comes with Audi's MMI system, which has Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio and satellite navigation. Moving down, we can see it comes with Audi's start stop and it has air conditioning. And moving further down, we can see this model comes with Audi's 6-speed manual gearbox, and it has an electronic parking brake with hill hold assist. So with this A3 Sport being an approved used Audi, it will come with Audi's 145 point check, Audi's warranty and Audi's roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please contact Blackburn Audi sales team on 01254 668 777. Thank you for watching the video.